Ka isu lintirel ha ka jala kala penlong ki laitili ki parti ki bathau lang ka sarkar bakan thop ya ka UDP, Hspdp, bat kumju ka BJP, bandon la ka jong ka jingyo i halo ka isu lintirel. Habakren bat kilat pathai kubor u General Secretary ka UDP Dr. Jimino Mautho luong baka RDE ka badai ka kenhun jong ka UDP bat ka Hspdp kimya hap satya ba karal kitmar kan poi hadu shulong kumbalakwa da ka BJP. Ulai thu ru ba dangshan kilai kendu imitirang ba ban pensngau halor ka tai kapang.
Nakaliang jongi ke UDP bat ke Hspdp nila shim ya karai ban lej ban ya kendo ya chief minister bat ya ke sarkar ban pensngo how chief minister bat ke sarkar ya ke jing persya nakaliang jongi hak bai dei bat ke jing wan jong ke ni ka Lynti sya ke state ke jongi mo sini sya ke ni ke jala ke jongi bat hak arf sauterik nila yo ban ya kendo yo chief minister ban nila yo ban pen snong yu ha ka bai dei bat kan ka jing persya nakaliang ka jungi ka longba ni ong kum dia balada nakaliang ka sarkar tempat biang kita ki mechanism ban check ya kani ka jing wan rung kertep jung ki brio ki panabar mo ki influx bat ka illegal immigration ladam padon ka mechanism ka bapaka katamot ni nakaliang ka jungi ru haka bai dei bat ka passenger train ngin persya ya ka jingwan jong ka passenger train mo sya ka ni ka jala ka jongi amar kladon ka jing kren bakan wan kata ka passenger train sya du sya ni sya selong bakan ta ter tiga baar ngasukwa ban pensya hang ni namar ngi i ba nakaliang jong ka seng BJP ru kila ya kren haka bai dei bat ka good strain pade kata ka rel mo kabon wanra kita ki marba mardi ala kren syai akan dia ba ni nakaliang jong ka RDA nimpat daya discuss ha hakabai dei bat kani ka good strain tingi ong ba ni dang don kam man examine ya kani ka good strain tenrei menin la se kla don ka jing song thu bakla adin bangaya kren bat ka mo reporter na Shillong Times bangai ka headlines ki ong ba UDP not averse to the coming of good strain to Shillong. Tengah sekuat ban pensaya kan ni, badalai lay ruem nakaliang jongi, ngim kwa ya kata ke good strain bakan wan hadu Shillong. Ya mentahi. Ngim kwa asu bakan don palat kata ke jing pentut ke jing pendik nakaliang jong sarkar Assam ken. Telara ke good strain kawan tang hadu kana pararu katahi kalabiang. Denrai ban ong ba ban wan sedu Shillong ngihap ban sungtu kan digawai. Lada ka ke good strain maknaru. There are many aspects kebangi hab man consider. Mo, ni hab man ya keren ya ka topografi jong kan ka jaka ke jongi, ni hab man ya keren ha ka bai ke environmental aspect, ni hab man ya keren ha ka bai ke density of population, ni hab man ya keren bat ki wei ru, let's say ki man kata. Ya ki nong shong shinong ke jongi, mo, bat ya ke imlang ka salang ke jongi kan. Tengah kwa ban long very clear ya kan ya, ban pensyai Ahmad jong pi bahaka bidai bat ka passenger train hi nakaliang jongi ka UDP bat ka Hspdp ngin persya ikan ni ka passenger train bat haka bidai bat ka goods train pa nakaliang jongi ngin sahaban examine ngin sahaban kren tamaban ong ban poi hadu asulong ka moong ka BJP te ni haban parkhat sipo at posien chwa namar balai namar ni haban petlut iki aspects mo ni haban pet iki considerations okay. Tiban ong hadu akana para la si idon ki bala ajing mud aki por ki ba menchwa te henrei ban ong hadu aslong te na soba yamentahi bang impat ya keren impat la ban ya ke expert comment na kalian on the 21st of August 2020 and consequent to this we had met the chief minister also on the 24th expressing our a decision to go against the coming of the railway head to Shillong and to some parts of the state like Barnihan. As far as passenger trains is concerned, we are deadly against that. This is very clear. It's a clear no from these two parties. But as far as goods train is concerned, maybe because there was a decision taken once upon a time that was much earlier, maybe up to Khanapara, but not right up to Shillong. See, you have to take many things into consideration also. Even if you talk about the coming of the good train, you have to think about the topography, you have to think about the hilly imperatives, you have to think about the environment, you have to think about the density of population, you have to think about the congestion, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the factors that we also have to take into consideration. So that is not to say that, we just welcome, but what we're saying is that we need to discuss and we need to examine. But as far as goods trains is concerned, so that we will not have any problems as far as, if goods comes only to Assam and then we have to pick the goods from Assam, there's so many hurdles, right? We want to protect and safeguard the interests of the indigenous people of the state, right? That is our main concern. So if we have mechanisms in place to check the coming of illegal migrants from outside and the influx of people from outside, that is good enough. But as far as trains is concerned, goods trains is concerned, see, we'll have to examine this because we also have to think about the economic movement also. That is also important. We have to think about, the plight of the poorer sections in the state of Meghalaya also. We have to think about, developing the economy of the state also. And we have to think about the livelihood and so on and so forth. All these economic activities also has to be taken into consideration. And, if a proper plan can be thought of in this regard, then on the one hand, we can safeguard the interests of the indigenous people, and on the other hand also, economic goods, transactions and can happen in the state of Meghalaya, which will definitely help, the people of the state.